Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to change your website URL on Squarespace step by step. I'll be covering the built-in Squarespace domain, that's the .squarespace.com address your site uses when you're logged in. First, click on Settings in the left sidebar. You'll see the Settings panel open up with various configuration options for your site. Next, click on Domains in that Settings menu. This opens the Domains panel where you'll see your current domain setup listed out, your built-in domain at the top, and any custom domains you might have connected below it. Now, click on your built-in domain, the one that ends in .squarespace.com. It'll typically look something like random-words-1234.squarespace.com. When you click it, you'll see a field open up showing your current site ID. That's the part before .squarespace.com. Click in that text field and highlight or delete the existing site ID, then type in your new one. Your site ID needs to be between 3 and 30 characters. It can only use letters, numbers, and hyphens, no symbols or special characters. It has to start with a letter and can't end with a hyphen. If someone's already taken the name you want, Squarespace will show an error message and you'll need to pick something different. Once you've typed your new site ID, click the Save or Rename button at the bottom, then confirm the change. Your site will reload with the new URL, you'll see the new domain in your address bar, and it'll show up in the Domains panel. The change happens immediately. You might need to log back in using your new URL, and if you're working on a team, everyone else will be logged out and will need to use the new address to get back in. All site contributors will get an email notification about the domain change. Make sure to update any bookmarks or saved login links you have for the site. If you have a custom domain connected, visitors will still see that custom domain when they visit your site. This built-in domain change only affects the backend URL you see when logged in. If any of your old Squarespace.com URLs were indexed by search engines, they'll now return a 404 error and will eventually drop out of search results. And that's how to change your website URL on Squarespace. Thanks for watching.